So what intelligent orchestration really is the automation of cloud-based and virtualized assets to make it easier for people who maybe don't have the expertise to get into production in the cloud. The challenge that we have as broadcasters is that it's expensive to build a large production facility. It's rigid. Once you build it and you got it in place, it's difficult to change it. And it's complex. It's really hard. As technology has evolved, things have become more and more complex. So the solution that most people are looking at is how do we make that more dynamic, more easily adjustable to what we're trying to do. So we're going to move things to the cloud. Well, whenever you move things to the cloud, you do get your ability to be flexible. You can be dynamic. You're only paying for what you use, but it's still difficult. It's still hard. There's still a lot of complexity that happens on the back end to set up those cloud environments in such a way that you can benefit the most. So what we want to do is we want to set up the environment in such a way that it can be automated. So the intelligent orchestration does that. So the idea with the flexibility and what we're trying to do is that if you've got multiple vendors who have their products that are available as assets, whether it's VizRT or ROS, then you can set up your production templates to use any of those. If you want to do in the morning, you want to set up your esports and do a VizRT switcher, you decide that you want to try something a little bit different, you want to do your production in the afternoon, you can change that out and use ROS, and whenever you deploy it, it will, instead of spinning up a VizRT, it will spin up a ROS. So we're looking for complete flexibility. You can configure it however you want to use it. If you wanted to set up a particular production and then schedule it in the future, you can absolutely do that. One of the targets is to provide a cost estimation of what it would be for any person before they started doing the production. What we're looking to do is make it easier for people to leverage those cloud assets. You don't want to have to worry about configuring the AWS or the GCP or the Azure environment. You just want to sit down, log in, and be able to start doing your production. So what this does is it automates all of the back-end engineering so that you can immediately start doing your production.